So guys, welcome by the way. So if you are new and you've not subscribed, please before we get started, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, and also comment. We would want to take a look at this GBPJPY for today. We want to see where the movements will be, where the movements will make will move today. So, but before we actually get started and be able to predict this price for today, I want us to actually start from the higher time frame, which is on the monthly time frame, to be able to understand these movements. Though it will be a quick one. So, from the monthly time frame, we will analyze it down and why we'll be taking certain trade. Now, you can look at this GBP JPY, right? We can clearly see one movement. I think this was about early 2020. This was this movement from here, early 2020. We've been having a bullish move ever since then, right? We can clearly see the price is actually moving up. I mean, if you are a new trader or you are a novice, you should be able to know that this is an uptrend move. Clearly, our price is pushing up. Now, to those of you who trade the moving average, here I'm using the 10 period moving average. You all know the rules of trading 10 period moving average. Once our price is above 10 period moving average, we are to go long, but if it is below it, then we have to short it. So clearly we can see on the monthly time frame that this GBP JPY is above 10 period moving average, so we are to go long on the monthly time frame. So we are going long, but I wanted to also see that price is actually reacting to this level multiple times, which we will go down, which will actually take us down to our weekly time frame. Now, of course, let's zoom this price out now. You can see that still the same thing we talked earlier on the monthly time frame. We are on a bullish move. I mean, if you take a look at this movement, we are seeing higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So this price has been moving up ever since then. Then it got to its highest level here. We saw this huge candlestick wick here. Price reacted at this level and dropped, right? Then price came to this level again. One of the reasons why we had this huge candlestick on the weekly time frame, price reacted to this level, failing to break it, and it dropped. Also, price came to this same level again and it dropped. Now, if you were following this channel consistently, you would have seen how we've been making, how we've been taking this as our resistance and support level for some times if you're following it. Now let's highlight some new key level again. We saw that price has been coming to this level here. I think it is more visible on the daily time frame. So anytime price comes to this level, you see it react here, we saw it again. This is one of the reasons why we are having this huge candlestick here. So take a look at it. Price has actually been dropping to this level, then it will push up. Price will come to this same level again, it will push up. Price will come to this same level again, it will push up. It has been reacting there. So we can technically say this price is ranging, right? Then let's highlight some third level again. We saw that price reacted at this level, right? We saw price came to this level again, it reacted. Now price also dropped to this level again and it's reacted. And one thing, if you were following me in this channel consistently, I also predicted that price will actually drop to this same level, right? Price actually came to this same level and even broke below it, which I did analysis on it. I will drop again and we actually dropped. So price has actually dropped to that same level and price actually came to this same level here. So price kind of drop all the way from this same level. So now that price has recovered, it has actually come to this same level, break above it, come to this level, same level again, and break above it. Now that will now take us down to our daily time frame to be able to predict this price for today. Now to predict this price for today, guys, I want us to take a look at this movement here. So I mean, take a look at this GBPJPY. We are all on. You see that this price has actually been moving. We can take it as like impulse move, right? A correction has been made here on GBPJPY. Then a huge impulse move that was made here. Of course, we did analysis on it, how we will be having a pullback, and of course, we've had this huge pullback. Now, what we would be expecting is another drop on GBPJPY. In case if this will be a bullish move, if this will be a bullish move, then we should be having a pullback here. Reason is that let's take a look at this movement. Let's just assume this is an uptrend move. This is a movement upward. Then of course a correction should be happening here, and then the price will continue to go bullish. One, and if that is one, so we are expected that this price to drop first. That is first. So the second one is that if this should be a bearish move, maybe a bearish move, a correction, another drop, right? Then we should see a pullback here. Then this pullback should be over here because this is the previous level here. So the pullback should actually be over at this previous level. Then we would be expecting another drop. So from year to year, we would be expecting a drop here. That would be giving us about 200 to 300 pips. So at least we should be able to accomplish it within 3 days. So today, tomorrow and Wednesday, we should be able to see that price, close red. Now, I'll tell you one of the reasons why I said we will be going bearish is that take a look at this GBP index. This GBP index actually shows all our GBP pairs. This says a lot about all our GBP pairs now. Take a look at what this GBP index says. If you have to zoom it out, we can see that this GBP index is on a bearish move. It has been dropping, right? And then price has been dropping massively. Then it's got to a certain period where this price actually rejected here. It's reacted here. You see, price failed to break this level. Then price came to this same level again, failed to break it below it. Then also price came to this level. You see that now we can take this as a reasonable key level here where we would be watching out for, because price has reacted to this level. Then all of a sudden price actually broke below the level. So I mean, if you are trading support and resistance level and price tends to break the support level, which we can assume it is around here, then we would be expecting the price to come and test that same level, which we once talked about on our previous video. So now that price has come to hit that level, not only does the price come to test the same support level, it actually broke above it. So basically, as this price has broken above it, we are seeing a retracement, a pullback. So this pullback, we would want to see to drop to a certain level. Of course, it is this level where price has reacted to. We see price reacted at this level. We saw it reacted at this same level. At this same level, this is one of the reasons why we highlighted it. So basically, we will be seeing a bearish move, at least a bearish move of 150 pips. That means GBP itself should be giving us that bearish move within today and tomorrow. You see the reason why we actually open red, we will still continue to drop, by the way, within today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. So by that time this GBP index is giving us the bearish move, then definitely it is a confirmation that this GBP to JPY will actually give us that bearish move also. So from here to that level, we should be able to grab about close to 300 pips. Reason is that this GBP JPY is a very volatile pair. It's dropped massively. So I mean, once we are seeing a 150 pips drop on GBP index, then it makes sense for us to see about 300 pips on our GBP JPY. So guys, we can even see that price has reacted to this level multiple times. We saw price came to this level, reacted here. Price came to this level, reacted here. It also came to this level. We saw it react at this level multiple times. Of course, now this price has come to this same level. We should be expecting a reaction at this same level. So that reaction should be a bearish move. Since we've been having this bullish move for some couple of times, of course, we should get a reaction. That reaction should be bearish. So guys, reason why I said within today and tomorrow, we very much to close bearish red on our GBP JPY.